Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PostFinance Ltd how to use. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to use PostFinance Ltd, the first thing that you need to do is simply head over to the App Store, then on the search bar type in PostFinance. Then look for an app icon like this on your search list, then simply tap on it. This is the PostFinance official app. Then simply tap on the get button to download the app and follow the on-screen instruction to successfully download the app. Before, you will need a PostFinance private account, and e-finance online banking access, a PostFinance debit card, and once open you can manage everything digitally. The next is to simply open up the PostFinance application and then simply tap on login on the bottom of your screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is log in using your e-finance number, password, or PostFinance ID or mobile ID for approval. Then once logged in, what you need to do is simply in the app or e-finance home screen shows account balance. Simply tap your account to see incoming salary, payments, card transactions, and then you can also send money via bank transfer by simply tapping on the payments option, and then on the payments simply tap on transfer and then choose domestic transfer by entering the IBAN number, recipient name, amount, confirm with the PostFinance ID, and user it happens in the same day or next business days. For international transfers, simply choose international payment and enter IBAN or SWIFT number, bank details, currency, and fees shown before confirmation. You can also pay bills by simply tapping on QR Pay Bill, tapping on the QR scanner, then scan the QR code on the invoice, check details, and approve payment. Most common way to pay rent, insurance, and utilities. So these are a couple of steps and ways that you can use PostFinance, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.